All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and it is early October, which means that at Universal Studios there is a new part of the theme park that is open, the Halloween Horror Nights, which obviously is there to scare people. It's there to basically create a Hollywood type theme every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night, I do believe. And it's a unique opportunity for adults and children alike. But unfortunately, sometimes these scenes get a little bit too scary for certain age groups and certain demographics. So, David, when going to Universal Studios during Halloween or really any time of the year, what are some ways that parents and even grandparents can make it safe where their children don't trip and fall or slip and fall or something like that?
Yeah, so first off, before we go there, don't forget Knott's Berry Farm, because here in California or LA area, we've got Knott's Berry Farm. So they also have some kind of event that they call Not Scary Farm during the Halloween season. So, but to get back to your question, yes, it's very important because a lot of times what happens, it's nighttime. These places are usually pretty crowded. Sometimes what happens, they put props up. They try to change the park, and like I said, it's nighttime. Certain times when these props go up, new props, people don't necessarily pay attention to potentially this could be a slip and fall hazard or trip and fall hazard, and people will slip or trip, or possibly, like we've discussed in some of the other videos, they will have scary people like zombies, people with supposedly chainsaws coming after people, and what ends up happening is a lot of people are trying to role play and act, and they bump into each other, fall down, and sometimes, unfortunately, a young kid falls down. Sometimes the chances of a hip fracture or hip injury may not be that high, but sometimes if you've got an elderly lady who's in their older age, the degeneration in their body, they get hit, they're more likely to suffer a serious injury such as a hip fracture or hip injury or a knee injury as opposed to somebody who's healthier, younger, and more susceptible to a fall. So it's important to be out there, enjoy your time. It's Halloween, everybody likes it, but at the same time try to be safe and kind of keep a lookout and watch out and make sure that there's nothing that could potentially cause injury.
Absolutely. And if there are any injuries or you have had an unfortunate situation, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. You will see the phone number both above and below the YouTube video. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.